Garner. He used
Oh,
to be a John
Hotball.
Fresh player.
Hotball. Yes, I know Hotball. Everybody knows Hotball.
I don't know.
I'm glad he didn't come back around and just start beating stuff.
Yeah, dude, there's a common joke in the GD community that like a player says they're quitting and then they beat Allegiance, and they quit, they actually quit and then they come back and beat Allegiance and then they quit again and then that's it. Like it's a
What?
What?
You alright?
I passed the first cube.
Oh.
Oh. What'd you get?
I got 33.
Nice.
You did? Oh, I thought Cupcake was talking.
What the fuck?
Oh.
How? You got 33. Okay, just keep going. You got this, dude. Oh my god.
You're kind of going though.